Welcome to 14541 Montclair Way. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath in Magnolia, Texas. 2-car garage. And it's in the neighborhood of Mill Creek. Let's head on in. So in this first entry to the right, we have the garage. Up ahead is the living room and main space and kitchen. To the left is the first bedroom on the first floor. You can see it's spacious with carpet, with a closet. The second room is the bathroom with a tub shower. The next room over is the laundry room. Washer and dryer does come with the home, an extra storage space. Under the stairway storage. And I'll take this slow here. This is the kitchen. Gas stove, dark brown espresso cabinets with a white modern backsplash, modern gray paint onto the walls, stainless steel appliances, and room here for stools for entertaining. And then on the back side, this is where dining room would be. And then living room here on the right. And further ahead is the primary bedroom and upstairs. But first I'm going to take you out to the back. Once we get adjusted on the light, there's a covered porch patio area right when you exit. And a large backyard. We'll head on back in. Take a look at the primary bedroom. You can see there's a lot of natural light already coming in through these windows. And I'll back into the corner so you can see the whole room. And into the primary bathroom. This is a dual sink, toilet closet, the walk-in closet, standing shower, cubbies, and then we'll head upstairs. The first spot that you land on is going to be a game room, den, optional office. Further ahead are the bedrooms. This is going to be the third bedroom on the left with a closet here, spacious. And the same thing here. This is the fourth bedroom with a closet, spacious. And then to the left is the final bathroom in the hallway. This would be considered a shared bathroom for the upstairs bedrooms. And it is a standing tub. Last but not least, we'll take you to the garage. This house is unique in that the garage has been built out with a lot of shelving. So if there are tools or other items that for storage, this is workbench area. Tankless water heater. And then that's a sprinkler system. And if you wanted to mount a TV, this would be a good spot. And thank you for touring 14541 Montclair Way.